Hi, and welcome to Fred Builds Bikes. Happy New Year! So with New Year's, I didn't really want to get much done this week, especially with the hot summer sun and this being a tin shed and all. So what I did manage to get done was I finally unpacked my toolbox and started organising the mess of spanners. So here's some footage of that. So the feet go here and here. Easy enough. Should I choose to bolt it down later, I've chosen to not quite cover the holes there. Let's find the actual instructions for the lock bar as well. It may be a little simpler than it seems, but I'd like to find some instructions if there are any. In the absence of instructions for the lock bar, let's just try fitting it into this space here. I would have preferred a lock that's actually dependent on this, but that may have been a bit much to ask for the price. Not a bad toolbox though, if somewhat noisy. Not sure what this is in aid of. Still, looks like it's a lockable toolbox, so that's a start. So to keep my spanners from getting lost, I'm going to be putting those in the new toolbox. They do tend to end up all over the bench. So maybe this will help me keep them under control. Might see what I can do about some of the other gear going in there as well, but that'll probably do it for now. Now, what to do with this one? That one might have to find a different home. I figured this beast probably lives in here as well. At least for now. Maybe that one. Not sure what else. Getting there. Not something I need in a motorcycle toolkit. This, on the other hand, still probably not. Handy to have though. Bit of an upgrade. Right, where to put it? So I think I found the new spot for the toolbox. Just here. And there we go. Let's try putting that drawer out now. Still overbalances with all drawers out, but that's a lot more solid. Right. So there you have it. Finally got my tools in order. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. This will be the last episode of Fred Builds Bikes Season 1. And I'm going to take a couple of weeks break of videos and concentrate on getting some better quality content on the blog. I've noticed that while I've been doing the videos, the quality of the pictures I've been taking for the blog has gone down somewhat. I'm thinking I may just go back to the single channel format for the moment, and I will be starting a season of woodworking on my main channel, so that'll be a series called Fred Works Wood. Anyway, if you've made it this far, thanks again for watching. If you'd like to see more content, feel free to subscribe, hit the notify button, comment on this video. Let me know what I can do to get your attention. If you've seen this video, made it this far, thanks for watching.